Put it more to that
Oh,
side.
go. Hello, I am Jacen, and that is my friend.
Hi, I'm Cal Omas.
And we have a story for you.
Good evening, Jacen. Wretched business, this shooting. I can't say I like vision, but it shows how careful we have to be in our line of work.
Very true.
Can I get you good people something to drink before we sit down?
Sir, I'm arresting you in the name of the Galactic Alliance for activity likely to compromise the safety of the state.
I beg your pardon?
You're under arrest, sir. We'll let you call your lawyer later, but right now, it would be a good idea if you came with us.
Jacen, my dear boy. This is Cal Omas you're talking to. Don't be such a prat. Arrest me? Arrest me?
Under the terms of the Emergency Measures Act, anyone, including heads of state, politicians, and any other individuals believed to be presenting a genuine risk to the security of the Galactic Alliance can now be deactivated. That's a quote, sir. The amendment came to the law to include heads of state, came into effect at midnight, and you are a head of state.
Oh my gosh. I saw that amendment come through on the notification circular yesterday. Good grief! You really did it, didn't you? You actually changed the law and planned this.
Well, duh! Sir!
Am I allowed to know what risk I'm supposed to pose to my own state?
I can show you, sir. Please feel free to view it all, and then sell it for if that's not you, and then tell us if that's not you in the room with 2 Alliance Intel officers, the late Prime Minister, and his 2 Corsair protection officers.
Well, what can I say?
Sergeant Wyatt will accompany you to pack an overnight bag. We'll take you out as discreetly as possible.
Secretly? Oh, I see.
No, sir, you're not going to disappear down some sewer in the street. This will be conducted legally and openly.
Sergeant, I do keep a bag packed for eventualities. If you don't trust me not to blow,
My brain's out.
Thank you. In the bedroom. By all means, go to...
By all means, go to the hold all and get it. 10 leather hold all.
I'm back. I can handle...
Jacen, you obnoxious jerk. Yes, I know, sir.
Wait, that's my line.
Go.
You obnoxious, power-crazed, ludicrous little jerk. You had Genshin killed too, didn't you?
Sir, what's happening?
Would you water the plants while I'm away, please? I'm afraid I'm under arrest.
Admiral, it's done. Time for a public announcement.
And
And that's the end of our Star Wars finger puppet show.